And when the tricky way shot, the mama Murphy's a shoot like a paint job. But anything they send me to the opposite. And then girl they a give me a haters.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody in good health. I hope everybody is living, breathing okay. So welcome to the Chaddy Murray TV. And if it's the first time watching the Chaddy Murray TV, just click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And special welcome to those who are watching on Facebook. Follow the page, man, and leave a like as well. So people, more know if blessings are falls down pan uno like rain. Because guess what? Blessing a shower down pan Tamily. And Tamily are going good from the year start. I mean, Tamily drop a album over the year, it are going good. Tamily have one of the biggest, baddest song from the year start. I mean, we can clearly and easily say Tamily Blessings are one of the biggest song in a Jamaica right now. You see me? I may have to say big up to Damage Music for give it that one day, for produce that one day, because the juggling and everything nice. You see me? Blessing just a fall down. So we are gonna check out Tamily new video, because him dropped the video for the same song that I will make intro in the starting of the video. So people, wanna check out Tamily Blessings the music video.
Only person me fear I just got down caps. Me don't want see no one cup. Can't take not a dice shot. The mommy lip and ground with me face down flat.
So me have to highlight the maniac visuals for that one here, because people, the music video clean. Yo, the angles where the man get the shots them from, it bad. You see me? The color grade where him use, it bad. And people, the video not have a bag of people in it, only Tamily alone in it, him himself. You see me? The storyline is very simple but yet very effective. So it start off where Tamily a sing, you see me, and him a do him thing, and this vehicle look like say him a carry one body go drop off, and when it reach its destination we see a Tamily step out, but then him fly the trunk and is a body in the trunk. You see me? A live body that is. So him take out the body you know, and we don't know who we know. But you see in the last part we realize say a Tamily himself. So moral of the story, Tamily a dash the old Tamily and a turn over one new page. You see me? Tamily a step out different, and you can hear it in that song. Yeah. So that's why the music video have to choreograph that way there, because at that the song approach it. You see me? Bad piece of music video. People who don't need to go check it out.
And when the tricky way shot, the mama Murphy's a shoot like a paint job. But anything they send me to the opposite. And then girl they a give me a haters. Them no see a blessing that show like rain on coming.
So people, next topic. TEEJAY going good. We all know that. We've been know that, cause from them a par with the Ramesh team, and Ramesh team are going good, him automatically are going good. Him have a couple hit songs since this year. You see me? Couple songs are going good. But you know, when me see TEEJAY post on Instagram today, and me I tell the people, it touched me. It put me in a different meds. It put me in a deep perspective. So, wanna pray that video here. So hold on. Right now, me I go do a vlog test. If you no want better in a life, click the like button. If you no want Benz and Beamer as well, you no click the like button, man, and show appreciation. TEEJAY just buy a Benz and a Beamer, one go. Yo, Jano Star. Get to you fi have things. Get to you fi have things in a life. Get to you fi alright in a life. You see me? Aim for the star. A matter of fact, aim for the cloud. A matter of fact, aim for space. Once you not do nothing funny, forget the money, uno fi have things. Uno fi work hard and achieve things in a life. So how people are going to say TEEJAY buy 2 car. And I go and like say, yo, them want style the thing. So TEEJAY post that video along with this caption. And I hype my hype. Trust me, people. Trust me. It's just to show ghetto youth that dreams can really come true. And remember, never you want greatness for the wrong reason. Simple mean, anything you do, make sure you do it from right here, so. And him use a heart emoji right there, so. And them a praying emoji. Up top forever. Next at the house. After 4, produced by Chimney Records. So the song in the background where you hear a play is a new song when we drop when him After 4. You see me? And that one is produced by Chimney Records according to this post. But people, because TEEJAY say him buy 2 luxury car, 2 hot car, and him don't buy the house yet. People come like say them want style the thing. So just because the man have 2 nice vehicle, you're gonna make bad mind come in play. So people, me I go read out couple of the comments there. China the God comment. Buy a car when can crash tomorrow before you invest in a house, and this spell sense. So China the God, make sure next time when you comment them thing here, like your typos and them thing, everything on point, you see me, because you kind of miss a word still. But somebody just clap back same time. A matter of fact, Kami Sparkles commented, half I know a chat, they have a house, make him enjoy money. You see me? So people, let me know in the comment section what you think. You feel say him really should have got house first, or you just never business and you say, yo, make the man braff out him money. Nothing wrong with go 2 car and then later get the house. You see me? Man a hot artist. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. So people, Dancehall duo Voicemail is set to release their 5th studio album today to honor O'Neal Edwards. And you know O'Neal Edwards, tragic death that is. So Craig posts this on his Instagram. On this day, May 8th, a superstar was born. His name was O'Neal Edwards. Today we honor him and celebrate his love and joy for dancehall. So help me wish my brother O'Neal Edwards a happy birthday. As we release our 5th studio album dedicated in honor of him, Skanking Season, distributed by Apilus, which is now available on all digital platforms today. People, that's a good thing. I really respect that move there by Kevin and Craig from Voicemail. So people, the younger people when I really know O'Neal, me I go on a little track back. You see me? A little recap on the whole situation. So on Monday, May 10th, 2009, while entering his Dwayne Park home in St. Andrew, he was shot by 2 gunmen who reportedly tried to rob him. O'Neal was rushed to the KPH hospital where he underwent surgery, but the DJ never regained consciousness. Within less than 24 hours of the incident, one of the suspects was found dead and the other was taken into custody by the Manchester police. On May 26, 16 days after the incident, O'Neal Edwards died. Today, May 8, 2009, would have been the DJ's 45th birthday.
The monkey is gone, but his dancing lives on. So everybody gets jiggy and just party on.
So people, wanna check out that video here? Prank gone wrong.
Are you here?
Yeah, you know, sit on yourself.
No, man, I'll blow my seat, blow them miss.
No, give me my money.
No, one thief from you, miss. Miss, I saw it blow there. Ah, you're screaming me. What I do?
You have my money in your hand.
It's how much money?
$500.
But I saw it blow there, miss.
I just take it out and say doors off on it.
I wouldn't think from here, miss.
Well, Jed, give it to me now. We're holding on to it for them.
Come in, I believe so, I heard.
Oh, you don't believe so? Man, in your side there.
So I drop out under the chair.
You know, look here, give me my money.
Miss, I would not. Miss, you got
Give me my money.
Miss, I remember. Jesus Christ.
Give me
Miss,
my
I joke. See video there, I joke, man. See video there. See the video there, miss.
Give me my money.
Miss, see the video there.
I don't want to see the blood. This is my money, me want.
Miss, I was joke. I
don't-
put it there, miss. I mean, see, aram.
You don't put no money.
Yo, John Star. Yo, me telling about them youth there now when them IR money, you know. Yo, you know, I go on with the foolishness and telling about the wrong person. Them give a rotted lick across your face. I countless time I soon do it. You see me? But me not to not nobody else still. If I saw uno I do no thing, uno try just do it safe, brother. Because Jamaica and foreign are two different things. And how the grandmother say lie, how the grandmother will on the money so and she well and know say I no fear her money. Anyway still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. And tell me what you think about the topics that we talk about today. And people, if you know follow up on Facebook, follow the page now, man. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? I'm out.